Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we are trying to explore how we can avoid this restore page pop-ups in Chrome application. So first we understand why these pop-ups, restore page pop-ups, why it's occurring. So when you're working with the Chrome application, sometimes the Chrome application might be the crash, or we might be kill the forceful. So with this command, or we can killing that application from the UiPath side, or might be some other any application like you can automation anywhere, or we can killing from the Python. So whatever the thing. So when you force kill this application, so that time it will ask whether you want to restore these pages or not. So why we are avoiding this means for example, if I want to click here, or might be when it got to the login page. So sometimes very rare time I noticed that. So when I try to click with the help of UiPath or automation anywhere, so that click is not applicable. Something has issue. So until if you close this restore page pop-ups, if you close this one, so automatically normal it will work, no issues. So now I will kill this application. So just I'm killing this application. So and I just reopen. So it will ask this restore option. So now again I'm killing. So I will open with a different command. So I have the one command which I created. I will show that. So this Chrome application now. So when I hit this enter, it open this thing and it directly open to the my facebook.com. As of now, I given the website as facebook.com. So now I will close this manually. Just observe it. I'm just closing the manually. So when I try to open with this normal, then again it's asking the restore pop-up, and this time it came the maximize the window. So here it will came the minimize in the window. So I want to maximize again. Again, this is a one more step. So in one command we can avoid these two steps. So I will close. I'm killing one more time, and I will go and just click this command. So just it will launch this one. So basically it will work Maximus window, but right now they're having some issue. That will work, no issues. So I'm going to this command. So this is a small command which I have written here. So when you see this one, this is a start. So I'm just saying that command to the start and double quotes, and this is my program application. Application of that path. So how you can identify this? Just click on this Chrome and go to this file location, and again this one more time to the file location. So from this here you can just copy this path. So you can just copy as the path, and you can just update it here downside. The same one I updated it. So after this we have the disabled session crashes. So what I'm trying to say this. So already one session is which is crashed now. So avoid this that session and hide the crash restore bubble. So where you are getting that restore option now. So just I'm saying that hide that restore bubble, and you can take this new window, and I'm giving this path as facebook.com. So if you want, you can update this google.com, or might be yahoo.com, whatever you want. So you can just update and run it. So now I'm closing this bat file. On one more thing, so this is should be saved in the format of bat file, so then only we can able to execute that one. So I'm just closing this one, and I came back here. Now I will close this application with the post skill. Okay, so when I open now normally, so it got again the restore pop-up. So I'm just killing one more time, and I will run this from UiPath. So we'll see that as well, how it will works. So just I am stepping to, and it open into the maximize window, and right now it come to the google.com. So if you want, you can change this to which website you want. You can just go ahead, change that website, and you can go ahead with. So until if you open this page now, then we can do our automation as usual. So that time we don't want to click this, and we don't want to use image recognition for that. If you can use image recognition, but sometimes what happen now, so when I get my pop-up here, it will come the cross mark. So that cross mark, what happen, if it is not there sometimes, so it will go and finding this one and clicking this cross mark, so which is affecting our next steps. So to avoid that, so we can use this kind of some small soft snippet. So here only the thing is, if you know only the automation anywhere or only the tools point, so we cannot do full-fledged automations. So you want to know the both way. It should be the coding way and the tools better. So that tool is just how we can automate. The thing is just we can normal stuff how humans automate. So if you don't know the these kind of bat files or might be some other things, Python, Java, so these are mandatory. When most of people they are saying if you don't know Java, if you don't know Python, or you are able to do only with the tools. But right now in industry, only with UiPath or only with automation anywhere. This is my point of view, but I'm not sure of others. When you come to the my point of view, you should be the expert in the 360 degrees space. You have to know the technologies like these are the tools. So you have to should know about the tools. You should have know about the programming languages and how we can merge both the things. So then only we can able to do automate in the better way. If you know only the one thing, then you might be the stuck somewhere. If you know the both things, so you will try to achieve very easily. So Edge also I did the video, so I will just give that in the comment section. And this bat file I will try to upload in the GitHub, and I will share the link into the comment section. So try and from your side. I mean, just try from your side. So still, if you have any doubts, post in the comment section.